Welcome back, my friends. So in my last video, I really liked the color combination that I used, which was all Joe Sonia colors, acrylic paints, and I've used Turner's Yellow, Burnish Copper, and Blue Violet. So I'm going to reuse the same colors. There you go, except that this time I have mixed up my paints with 1 part paint and 2 parts Floetrol, no water. Living on the edge, friends, I'm living on the edge. I'm not going to do a base, I'm just going to do a flip cup. I'm going to even reuse this yellow and just do things, I don't know, without thinking too much. Just pour the paint in and then we'll just see what happens afterwards. Sometimes when you don't think, it's when that's when you get the best results, so we shall see. Let's pour that in. This time I have no white because I still haven't mixed up more. Bit lazy, aren't we? And then a bit more of this beautiful blue violet. Not really seeing the violet in it so much. It's more like a ultramarine blue, I'd say. And it's probably quite a lot of paint actually. Feeling generous. Just a bit more of the copper. We'll just keep the rest for later if we need. So let's do a flip cup for this one. Let all those delicious colors come down. Oh, this is already pretty, that bit there. See, when you don't even try, sometimes it's just the best. So we'll just see. Come down. Let's just let things happen on their own for a moment. Let's not get too excited. I guess I could use some of this paint and pour it around, but let's just leave it. Okay, let's unmold. Ooh, lots of paint. Very generous today, Mimi. Very generous. It's also wanting to lean this way, so maybe I'm not completely level here. It's okay. Let's just torch this briefly. Definitely generous with the amount of paint. I did not need this much, but anyway, it's on now. So let's just tilt a bit of this off. A bit or a lot, for sure. Go down this corner now. Get rid of that big patch of yellow. Bit too much yellow to my liking there. So much paint. Let's come back to the other side. Hi dog Elliot's been quiet for a moment. You're lucky. I don't think it's gonna last. He's just waiting for the next batch of people to walk by the house before he goes off. He's just having a little rest outside. I can see him. Barking takes it out of you, doesn't it? Okay, let's go back to this corner back there. Well, there's nothing going on right now. There he goes. I knew it wouldn't last. Hope you're not falling asleep at your end. It's not always the most exciting to watch me get the paint sliding down from a corner to another. But I give you the option to fast forward if you want, or to watch the whole thing. Let's come back down this other side. Try to stay in frame for you guys. Now this is getting even less exciting for you because the paint is moving even more slowly than before. Of course, there's less of it now, so I'm just trying to get it slide down just a tiny bit. Almost there. I think that's enough. Now I'm going to put it down and go wash my hands. Let's torch. Still loving this color combination, by the way. It's very cool. It's really soft around here. Pretty pretty. So maybe my trusty straw will help me just to change a couple of things around the edges. Not going to blow too hard this time because I have no base. I didn't put white underneath, so just to make sure I don't go all the way to the bottom of my surface, then I'm blowing gently. Not everywhere, just in a couple of sections. Okay. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. I think I'm going to leave it alone and I'll fix the edges off camera. I'll show you what it looks like up close. Okay guys, here we go. Bit of a close-up. I really love this section on the right side here. It's nice and soft, but still has a lot of texture. It's really pretty. This copper is just beautiful. And that lacing here with the copper, and also up there in the top left, beautiful. I love that. It's gonna look so good when it's finished and resined and all sparkly. This piece will be available for purchase on my website, mimibondi.com, so make sure to have a look there. In a little while, I'll put some photos of the finished piece. In the meantime, please give me a thumbs up to let me know that you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave me a comment as well to say hi, I'd love that. And subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video. Thanks for watching. See you later.